Oh yes, gatho cia mwanya mwiroreri witu wa Just Kenya TV oringi thiini wa session ino njitikiria gunyitio geni nigetha tugithi na mbere gukumenyithia mohoro mothe maria marahanika thiini wa nenda citu cio kinyaniria na ngihoka ati we thayo wa mothe ne kuri mwena wa Facebook mwiroreri wiki iria irahetukire kana wiki hetuku mwiroreri ni kurari na ndeto wigi mundu gwito Phyllis Mbuthia na Phyllis Mbuthia ri uria utakimoi ni muini wa nyimbo cia gutwara andu matuini ndiraririria Kikuyu gospel songs na niya akirutite ha miaka ni akoretwo akiruta miaka mingi muno thutha takriban miaka ta 7 uguo iria akoretwo akiruta wini uyu na akorwo successful na ukirikanio wega muini uyu wikaine ta Phyllis Mbuthia thiko nini hetuku yarakorirwo thiini wa nenda cio kinyaniria akiaririria o uria account yake iria rakiri na makiria ma followers kana subscribers 300,000 gukorwo ihakitwo kana gukorwo deleted na Phyllis Mbuthia o uria ni muini uyu yarakinyete kuri mwena wa Facebook na agakorwo agishare video fulani video iria ramonagithia ena kiriro kiingi muno akiona nia oria ena ruo ruingi ngoro-ini thutha wa Facebook ino kana thutha wa account ino yake ya YouTube gukorwo terminated okay anakeretheire ati ni gukorwo terminated na o hau ni arakihoyaga muno na gakira andu makimuteithiririe na muingi ngereria muingi ni ati muingi kule mwena wa Facebook ona nenda-ini tofauti cia ukinyaniria ni maragikinyire kule na magakorwo magisupport muini uyu wikaine ta Phyllis Mbuthia nigetha kuona ati Phyllis Mbuthia ni ahota gukorwo akihota kuhingura account ingi njeru ngereria mwena wa YouTube akahingura YouTube account njeru na kuona ati YouTube iyo account njeru iyo ni akorwo grow gukinya handu haria gikinyite na ngwire mwiroreri ni akoretwo ahingura YouTube njeru na YouTube yo rakorwo ameta Phyllis Mbuthia fresh start channel na channel ino ni ragikorirwo igithi na rate nene muno reke ngwirorere ni undu nyumba ya Mumbi kana Gikuyu ni gikoragwo na wendani muno na kwiragwo atiriri wendani ni ukirite utonga na reke ngwire kule mwena wa Facebook mwiroreri ndigwiciria kana kwina muini wothe kana mundu wothe famous kana celebrity wothe wa Gikuyu atanarugama na mundu gwitwo Phyllis Mbuthia na akorwo henake tanjira thiini wa comment section tumuikie na ritho ria gatatu tondu no akorirwo ni thu ya Gikuyu o hau ri mwiroreri thutha wa andu post link ya YouTube ya Facebook account kana YouTube account ino njeru ya fresh start ya mundu gwitwo Phyllis Mbuthia andu ni maragikinyira kuria na within a span of 3 days andu ni maragikorirwo mamuhota go subscribe na marakihota kumukinyia 100,000 gutire kuonekana reke ngwire mwiroreri na ngwire umuthi gutire kuonekana wendo toyo uri uronanithirio mundu gwitwo Phyllis Mbuthia no reke ngwire mwiroreri thutha wa ukorwo akinyitie 100,000 okire tugikiugaga wa ukorwo wagikinyia 100,000 ni ugikiheagwo silver button hare mwena wa Facebook na ugakorwo recognized at least you have made effort na reke ngwire video ciake nyimbo iria arakihotaga gutumirwo yanagikorwo arakoragwo akipost hare mwena wa YouTube na cigakorwo na viewership nene o iria andu aingi muno ni maragikinya kuria na makahota gukorwo makiwatch the second time of their songs na agikorwo akihoya andu makorwo makimutumira the old songs so that akorwo akihota ku repost haria mwena wake wa YouTube iyo yari njeru no kule mwena wa thutha wa gukorwo agikinya 100 subscribers mwiroreri kana kuhetoka 100 subscribers ndeto njeru ni nakorirwe kiumiria na ndeto ino niyo gitumite andu aingi muno makigia na kieha ngereria kieha ni undu kana makiarie magikorwo na ndeto cia kwaria kametha ga kwaria gacai ga kwaririria na gacai ga kamwiroreri ni kare gagitumite Phyllis Mbuthia akorwo na ihinda riritu muno ni undu wa gukorwo akihota kweretha muingi niki kirahanikire tondu thutha wa gukorwo hitukitie 100k subscribers YouTube ire yake ya tene ire rari na makiria ma 300 subscribers ni iragicokire ona ingawa iragicokire ina subscribers 280 something thousand, let's say 285k subscribers ni iragicokire na kumbura ndeto nyingi kuria mwena wa nenda cio kinyaniria na ndeto ici cirakiario ni andu tofauti na iria ciragitumire ru Phyllis Mbuthia akiote kana akilazimike gukoro akieretha muingi niki kirahanikire ginya YouTube account yake iragicoka tondu ye ni akiugite ati ni agitomeiro message kana email ati the email signed in is terminated. Now what happened until the YouTube came back, or the YouTube account came back? Now I want us kana ni gwenda ithu tukoro tukirora andu eri aria makoretwo makiaria thiini wa nende cio kinyanĩria. Umwe wao ni mundu gwitwo kana ni mundu ahuthagira account ya mundu gwitwo Matha Mwihaki Higa. Na riu Matha Higa official account kule mwena wa YouTube ni agĩũkĩte akakiuga atiriri, Phyllis Mbuthia trolled after getting her account back. Na agacoka akakiuga atiriri haha thi. Now mbona watu wameinukia Phyllis Mbuthia hivyo after kuona hivyo after her YouTube account was recovered? Riu ye akakiuga atiriri kulingana na maoni make, akakiuga atiriri, personally I don't think this songbird was clout chasing, as some Kenyans allege. The jovial artist has explained everything that happened to her channel from beginning to end and how they finally retrieved it back to her possession. Now that she has accounts, first one 285k followers and the new one 124 followers or subscribers, si hiyo ni baraka? Mbona watu wamuone wivu jameni? Ai, let's give this girl a break. Thaici turaria ni ati mundu gwitwo Phyllis Mbuthia en account igiri, imwe ina 285k subscribers, iyo ingĩ na 124k, na andu ni marakiarĩtie muno mwiroreri magakimutroll uria ahenirie andu kana a cloud chasire nigetha gukorwo akiona account yake nigetha agizidi gwika kana guthondeka bia zaidi. No reke ngwire mwiroreri, ciuria nyingi ni ciumirite kure nende-ini cio kinyanĩria, na andu aingi nginya magakorwo makiona nabathi ya kumwarĩrĩria uru ati kuona ati ye ni akinyite handu ha cloud chase. No ndigwiciria, no we ni ukunjira thiini wa comment section ukinjira we ureciria atia. Tutathiete haraya ri, reke tuhutie post ino ya mundu gwitwo Wangeci wa Kariuki. 1 hour ago ni agicoka akiuga atiriri, if people control Phyllis Mbuthia of all people, mwiroreri of all people, tondu Phyllis Mbuthia ndigwiciria never tell ukoro troll, because we have never seen Phyllis Mbuthia with a scandal in this country. We have never seen Phyllis Mbuthia with a scandal in this country. So Phyllis Mbuthia is very new to us in as much as we say that kuna kitu maybe ashaifanya cha upuzi. No, Phyllis Mbuthia is very much clean into our eyes. Netokio yale meka kama vituko guku nozo siko kimeariria. No riwa gakiuga atiriri Wangeci wa Kariuki, if people control Phyllis Mbuthia of all the people, riu wewe rakini Facebook is full of sad people who wish everyone dead. Kai mwendaga atia? Ndio maana stakangi sympathy, murendaga this house to house fund. Ema, macio ni maundu maria Wangeci wa Kariuki akiugite hara thiini wa Facebook account yake. No wereke ta njira atiriri mwiroreri, we ureciria ta Phyllis Mbuthia ara cloud chasaga? Tondu tutikio ithui kana nego cloud chasaga nigetha akione account yake ri toya nafathi ino mwiroreri ujire hara thiini wa comment section ujire what do you think about this case of Phyllis Mbuthia, and of all these cases let's all say congratulations to Phyllis Mbuthia for getting back her account, her YouTube account finally, because we don't have much to say. No jira thiini wa comment section no jira ati, do you think Phyllis Mbuthia was cloud chasing or not? Negetha tukoro tukiona na kahinda kage gatari karaya mwiroreri.